Hello, welcome back to Mazdoko Block, episode 22. I will be solving puzzle size 5 by 5, difficulty 5 without operators. Starting from this episode, we'll have a new approach where we preview all possible cell candidates beforehand. This will make our solutions more systematic, not occasional as was before, and it will simplify greatly for simple puzzles and make more difficult puzzles feasible. So to clarify, with green we will be marking move we just made, and after that we will make them as normal color. Okay, so let's start, and first step we'll fill all things that we can right away, such as single cells or cages with unique candidates set or multi-set when applicable. For 20 is obvious, it's 4 multiplied by 5. For 360 it's more difficult to catch it. Well, first of all, obviously it's multiplication. And second, note that 360 is 3 by 3 by 5 by 8. So we will have to have some of three cells have to be 3, 3, and 5. So we leave only two cells that not necessarily these two, any two cells, but they are in product give 8, so it can be only 2 and 4, which makes the combination multi-set is unique, so that's why we also mark it. Also, as you see, we cross out the candidates that correspond um, to one already resolved in this column and two resolved in this row. Next, what we're gonna do, we notice this is a naked pair for 5, so we cross out for 5 in this first row. Okay, this is more difficult. Let's look carefully in cage C1. It consists of those cells. But if we uh, take the product of all these cells and we divide by this cell and multiply by this cell, it's gonna be product of all cells in row 2, which we know for size 5 is always 120. Each row and column size 5 in product give 120. As we know, product is 240, and we know this is 2. It gets us to conclusion that this cell multiplied by this is 4. 4 can be only 1 multiplied by 4 or 2 by 2. But it can be 1 anywhere in the cell because they are blocked by this one. So we conclude this is going to be 2, and we cross out corresponding 2's in the cells. Now we will cross out this 5. But we start from this cage E3. We have 18, which can be sum or product. Let's discuss can it be a product. From these 3 cells, we for sure will have one of them will be 4 or 5, or even both. Or we can have both because one of them isn't here, but one of these 3 cells, at least 4 or 5, which none of them divide 18, so that's impossible. So this is not addition, multiplication, that's addition. And let's now assume that this number in cell E1 is 5. So this is 5, this is 2. The only left is 1, 3, and 4, which in total give 8, meaning the sum of these two would be 10, which is impossible. The biggest sum we can possibly theoretically have is 9, is 4 plus 5. This we conclude this cannot be 4. This cannot be 5, it has to be 4. So if it's 4, Now we can cross out many candidates. We can fill in this one, cross out 5 here, and then um, as we know it's 4, and we discuss this is gonna be numbered 1, 3, and 5. In total, this is 9. So this should be also 9, which can be only 5 and 4. 5 cannot be here, so it has to be here. So we keep crossing out, and we notice we get single candidates. We keep crossing, and this is going to be a repetitive process, and until we get to case where no more single candidate cells. But also we can see that like these two, for example, we could deduce it from this row was the only place where 2 can be, or we could deduce it from the column. This was the only place where 2 could fit. Next, what we're gonna do is look for the one that was the only place in a column B where 1 could be. We can eliminate, we can keep eliminating, and now we keep eliminating, keep eliminating, keep eliminating. Okay. Next step. Yep. As we knew these two cells 1 and 2 to have 7, it can be only 4. And now we have more to eliminate. More to eliminate, and that's, as you see, with this approach, even though it was high difficulty task, we didn't need to use any techniques because of the new approach. Checking for candidates and elimination gets it pretty fast. So thank you for your attention. Stay tuned for the next episodes.